Hello everyone, my name is Calvin Click. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be showing you how you can make money online with unlimited arbitrage opportunity. This is a cross-country arbitrage opportunity. Anyways, let's get started. But before we get started, I want to remind you that you can always like this video, share and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can grow together and make sure that all this content is available to you every time you search about it, every time you need it. So you can always tap on that notification button to get my videos in time when they are released. Okay, as we're getting started, you all know that this unlimited arbitrage is going to be done using Binance. All right, here. So it's Binance P2P, peer-to-peer. Okay, so what you're going to be doing, if in Uganda, so what you're supposed to be doing is basically buying USDT and selling the USDT to Nigerian P2P market. So this is how it goes. So you see here, like here, we are in UGX. So what you're supposed to be doing, we are going to turn this, you're going to be turning this area here to Nigerian. But the first step you're supposed to be doing, we are going to buy. For example, currently this is our P2P market on Binance. So P2P market on Binance, remember, if you don't know where P2P is, you can find it here. It's always here. You can see it here. It's here. All right, here. That's by P2P trading on Binance. On its home page, that's where you can find P2P Binance. Okay, P2P trading. And remember, if you don't have the Binance application, the Binance link is in the comment section. It's in the description, so you can find it and make sure that you sign up an account and enjoy this money. Okay, so what you're going to be doing now, as you can see here, we have our first trader. Our first trader, who is Frogman 2000. So this one shows that is very verified. You can see that blue tick, that yellow tick here. It shows that is verified. So if you're new to Binance and you're a beginner, you're a newbie, I would advise you to always check out here. If you didn't see where I tapped, it's here. You can always check out here on filter. Then you come all the way here on this part here. Only show ads from merchant. So here we'll be able to see the prices listed of USDT, but only for those verified merchants on Binance, so that you can reduce the risk of being scammed. You understand? Yeah. But if you've been using P2P, I'm sure you are able to identify like legit people, legit traders, legit merchants. You see, so the current price is 3,724.99. So you come here on buy and buy from this person here, as you can see that. So you tap buy. For example, the amount you're going to be using today, we are going to be using a simulation of buy crypto here. Then you put 100 USDT, but this person is saying that maximum is 1. This is a fake man. Okay, crypto amount, this guy has less amounts of crypto. Let's look for another one. Okay, we can use this one. As you can see, the completion rate is 96.80%. He has so far done 207 trades, and his price is kinda cheap. You understand? Yeah, you can always look at that. So you can see the rest of the traders. The completion rate is 91. This one has 100%, but 3 trades only. So if we turn on this on only show ads from merchants here, you can see the price they are starting from. It is 323764. This one is a bit high. This is a bit high, you understand, but by using this method, you will be able to prevent scammers. You understand? It's a bit high, but you'll be able to prevent scammers. But then what you're going to be doing is but for this case round, we are looking for the cheaper price so that we can enjoy the arbitrage. You understand? Okay, so what you're going to be doing is this. look at this one. We're going to buy from this person here, you understand, here he has 142 USDT on his account, so let's buy from this one. So we are going to go here, buy crypto, then put 100 USDT. So you see that you have to pay 374 300. So if you're paying 300, let's calculate and see. 374 300. So that's the amount you're paying in UGX, you understand, okay, to buy 100 USDT. So let's go. So after doing that, remember you're going to buy and come to cheaper cash here, then you'll be able to send this person money, you understand. In cheaper cash, you just have to search for the tag name of that person, which will be the tag name, or the details will be provided. If you continue, when you tap here buy with zero fee, you get to know the seller's like details. Then you'll be able to pick his okay, let me show you something. When you tap there, so you can see that the cheaper cash tag is the payment method is cheaper cash. Then you can always chat that person in the chat box. So he's saying, be patient, I'm working on someone else. That's what he's saying. You have successfully placed an order, please pay within time limit. So now he's telling me to proceed, you understand. But then when you pay, you have to come here to say that make payment, you understand. So when you come to make payment, they will give you you see, they will give you his cheaper cash full name and the tag, you understand. So you come to cheaper cash, sorry, you come to cheaper cash here, yeah, it requires a pin, okay. So you search the tag name for that person, you understand. So you begin with @ then you put ANK. So when you see that person, you will definitely send the money to that person, you understand. So this is the person, you definitely send that money to him or her. Therefore, remember the amount we are sending is exactly this one, you understand. So let me cancel out this trade because I'm not trading. Okay, okay, let me confirm the cancellation of this trade so that I cannot you're not accountable. Oh god, anyway, so they will punish me for that, but let's continue. So after buying, you come here to this price. So here we are changing the price now. Remember, now we have the 100 USDT in our account, on our wallet. So you come here and change the currency to Nigerian market, which is NGN here. So after doing that, now you come on here. Now we want to sell, you understand. So when you want to sell, so what you will be doing, you see here, this person is selling at 750.59. So let's remember, this person using bank transfer and faster payment. So when you try to search for cheaper cash, let me show you cheaper cash here, confirm. You find that they are giving at 740, you understand, 740. So when you try to sell with this person and it's verified, so let's say you put 100 USDT, you understand. So you'll be getting 74,000. So you come to your cheaper cash. I'm trying to show you an arbitrage that you can get a lot of money from. So when you come to cheaper cash and press send, so I'm going to show you something that you can. Now I'm giving you an example. So if you look at now, let's see this one, this person. Here you can see this is a person from Nigeria. Here, you understand. Okay, So now I'm going to show you how you can make profit from this arbitrage. So remember, you're selling to the Nigerian market. So when you put here the amount of money you're going to get from Nigeria to 4,000, you understand? So this is already giving you 372, you understand? 372. So this is not a good person. But if let's say you come to a person, you know, these people using cheaper cash, they are selling at a lower price, so you understand? So if you change this to you can, let me show you something. Okay, you will not use this this price, you understand? You not use this price. So what you will be doing, you will instead set up an ad, you understand? You set up an ad, you set up an ad, but the ad you will consider, let me first show you. On the ad you will consider setting up this. So when you're under P2P trading, so you will consider setting up on this price. Let me show you. For example, this person here, understand? That's the price you will consider setting up. So you won't consider selling at the other price, because when you consider selling at this price, when you consider selling at that price, you see what you're getting. You're getting the amount less than what you bought, you understand? So you will set up an ad, but considering the other price. So the current price is 43, you understand? It is 754.30. so which is that, you understand? 74.30. so it is definitely that, you understand? There is a 4 missing here. 7, yeah. So I'm very sure you're seeing it right now, you understand? So it is, remember that the selling, when you're putting up a sell, so it's going to appear here in the buy, you understand? When you put up a sell ad, it's going to appear here in the buy, you understand? Yeah. So you have to make sure that you will be lower price. You set up a lower price so that your ad would be here. So definitely you can just set up 754 or 7525, you understand? Such that when you put it here, it will be in profit, you understand? So it is 754, it was 30, so you can put 25 so that you can appear on top, you understand? So look at the amount you're making. So it means that this person is going to send you, let me copy this. Okay, so this is the money you're going to receive on your cheaper cash when you put up an ad and you're selling at this price, like the P2P price, you see. So you set up at a lower price so that you can be on top of this one, you can be on top of this person, you understand? Hope you're getting me. So you'll be here on top of this person, because your price will be lower. As you can see, this person is 39, this is 30, so you'll be up here. Your ad will appear first, and I won't go into the process of setting up an ad, but it's very simple. You have to come here, it's here down, you understand? Here, ads, then you can post your ad, you can set up the ad and set up the price it's supposed to be set up. Subscribe, I'll be posting another video to show you how you can post an ad on P2P market. Then you will be able to catch up with this arbitrage opportunity, you understand? So we have after selling to a Nigerian market, so you put in the payment method will be cheaper cash. So it means that you'll be receiving that amount that we have copied. Then come to your calculator here, minus, then paste that amount, you understand? So remember, so it's supposed to be like this. Let's make a calculation. If you can make this amount, if you can make that amount, if you can make that amount, you understand, if you can make that amount, this one 5,000 and 4, if you can trade like 10 trades, you'll be making 50,000 and 4,000 50,000. You understand, you'll be making 50,000 on every trade and 444, you understand. So that's very simple. You can even make this trade because it is unlimited. You can even make more than 10 times a day. So that will be definitely, if you make 10 times, it will be 50. So you make 20 times, it will be 100k every day, you understand. Very simple. So that's it for today. That's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos like this to show you how you can make an extra profit, an extra money from the cross country and dollar arbitrage. Thank you for watching.